Scout for me at the corner of the orchard like a bumble bailey. So soon as thou ever thou seest him, draw, and as thou drawest swear horrible. For it comes to pass oft that a terrible accent, sharply twangled off, gives manhood more appropriation than ever proof itself would have earned him. Away! Now will not I deliver his letter? For the behaviour of the young gentleman gives him out to be of good capacity and breeding. He will find it comes from a clodpole. But, sir, I will deliver his challenge by word of mouth. Set upon ere you cheek a notable report of valour, and drive the gentleman, as I know his youth will aptly receive it, into a most hideous opinion of his rage, skill, fury, and impetuosity. This will so frighten them both that they will kill one another by the look, like cockatraces.